In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Prezi. Grouping is a simple way to keep related elements, like text, images, and shapes, together so they move and behave as a single unit. It saves time, keeps your layout consistent, and makes animating multiple items much easier. Start by selecting the objects you want to group. Hold the Shift key and click each object one by one. You can include text, pictures, icons, and shapes, anything you want treated as a single piece. As you click, you'll see a highlight around each selected item, which is your confirmation that it's included. If you accidentally select something, keep holding Shift and click it again to deselect. A quick tip: zoom in slightly if objects are close together and try clicking the edge of an item if you find yourself grabbing the background by mistake. Once your objects are selected, look for the toolbar that appears. Click the Group button there to instantly combine everything into one group. If you don't see the toolbar or prefer another method, right-click on your selection and choose Group from the menu. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster. You can also drag and drop to quickly position items before grouping or to tidy up their placement on the canvas, especially if you're preparing a layout that needs precise alignment. After grouping, editing becomes simpler. Click anywhere on the group to select it, then drag to move the entire collection without losing spacing. Use the corner handles to resize while maintaining proportions, or the side handles if you want to stretch the layout. Rotate the group with the rotation handle to keep all elements angled together. This is especially helpful for diagrams or labels that need to stay aligned. If you plan to animate, apply your animation to the group rather than to each object one by one. That way, everything enters, fades, or zooms as a single, cohesive element, which looks cleaner and saves time. Grouping also helps maintain your design's visual hierarchy as you rearrange content throughout your presentation. To recap, select multiple objects by holding Shift and clicking each item. Group them using the toolbar button or the right-click menu. Remember, you can also drag and drop for quick positioning and then move, resize, rotate, or animate the group as needed. With this workflow, you'll keep your Prezi layouts consistent, efficient, and presentation ready.